In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a crankshaft position sensor on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located on the back of the motor and accessible from under the truck. This is going to be on the 8.1 liter motor. Let's get started. Once you complete this job, you will need a scan tool to relearn the crankshaft position sensor. We are located on the left side of the vehicle. We are looking up at the transmission. We're going to look right on the back of the motor, and you're going to find our crankshaft position sensor. It's going to have a 10mm bolt and one connector. Remove the connector, push up on that tab, push straight up. You can get that out of the way. Remove the 10mm bolt. Take your time, be patient. This is a very tight spot. It is awkward to get your hand in there, and you will get jabbed by a few different studs. But it is possible. And remove the bolt. So what I'm doing now is trying to spin the sensor back and forth and break up the rust that's around our O-ring. I'm also trying to pry up and down, use a bit of penetrating fluid. Just be very careful when you pry on this. You do not want to break this. I used a small pry tool to slowly push up on either side as I twisted that sensor, which gave me a light bit of room. I was able to go up there with just my hand, wiggle, pull straight up. And then you will need to twist the sensor so it's able to get out. Remove the crankshaft position sensor. Reach up with your new crankshaft position sensor. Install the sensor. Be sure it's installed all the way. We need that O-ring to fully seat. There we go. I just felt a solid thud. And now our bolt hole lines up. Install the bolt for the sensor. Get it started by hand. Get the bolt snugged down. Torque the bolt to 12 Newton meters. We're going to reach up and install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a push. Make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.